Father's Day. Very excited. I just woke up. It's 12 o'clock. People usually get up in the morning and have warm water, but I love cold water. Like, the first thing that I do is get up and have a glass of cold water before I start. Second thing that I do is make chai. Actually, मैं चाय नहीं बनाती हूँ. So either my mom makes it for me or my brother makes it for me. Because मेरे हाथ की चाय पीने के लिए आपका दिल बहुत बड़ा होना चाहिए, और मेरा खुद का दिल इतना बड़ा नहीं है कि मैं अपने हाथ की चाय. It's my vlog, so it's mine. So it doesn't look that bad. It looks bad, but it doesn't look that bad. The chai is ready and it looks good. Yeah. Let's have chai. Finally managed to finish my chai, which did not taste that good. Yeah, that's that. And I did post a couple of pictures, campaign related pictures and other stuff on Instagram. So yeah, so I'll be baking a cake today, and every time I bake a cake it turns out to be a cake bomb, like more like a weapon and not cake. Pretty nervous because I don't want any goof ups this time. It's Father's Day and I want to make it special. I hope that it turns out to be good. So now I'm going to quickly go and clean my room. Already 1 o'clock. I did not realize, and my room is still a mess. Finally cleaned my room. Oh gorgeous. Right, it's this which is bothering me. Otherwise it looks neat and tidy and it's already due. Okay, so I'm finally done cleaning my room and it's already 2:15 by now and I haven't done anything. Wow, so productive. Anyway, I'm gonna go quickly take a shower, come back and bake the cake. That I look somewhat like a human being, I'm going to start with my skincare. Toner. I'm using this toner from Miniso. I think I have talked about it in my other video. Also, I have been trying the new Pixie toner as well, which works great. Now I'm going to jump directly to serum, one that I'm currently using. Fresh gel from L'Oreal. Now I purchased this recently, like 2 weeks back, and this is a bomb product. I love it. I really love it. You see the skin glowing already. Back to the bun situation because it's very hot and it's very hot. I can't keep my hair open. Now I'm gonna quickly go have my brunch, lunch, whatever you call it. It's already 3 o'clock. पता नहीं आज केक बनेगा या नहीं. It's time to taste biryani. Oh my god, it's yum. We are baking cake. Yes. So I have read this recipe on Hebbar's Kitchen about the atta jaggery cake. So it's pretty much healthy because they have used atta instead of maida and jaggery instead of normal white sugar. You can obviously use brown sugar. I hope this cake turns out to be good. नहीं तो सारा कुछ waste हो जाएगा, सारी मेहनत खराब हो जाएगी. I don't want that to happen. So let's get started. 1 cup of jaggery. I'm just gonna grind. Jaggery is pretty much done. Now I'll add olive oil and curd. Using the same cup to measure the olive oil, so it's 3/4 cup of olive oil. I've used this one here. This is going to go in. Obviously you can use a hand blender or whisk it, but for me this is good. 1/2 cup of curd, which is going to go in the middle. It looks it looks more like a peanut butter smoothie to me. But yeah, I'll have to do this till the time jaggery gets dissolved completely. But I think some jaggery left. वैसे हो गया, so I think I'll just transfer this mixture to a container. This is how it looks like. Once it turns out to be this thick, you need to add like half a cup of water to get to the cake consistency. It is now ready. So it says that you can add almonds and dry fruits and whatnot, but I'm not going to add anything for now. Just gonna bake it and probably do a nice frosting.